Okay guys, once you come to the site, as usual, go to bot section, and then we are going to select the ProfitMax Alpha version 2025 bot. Load it like that. Once you've had it in place, we need to identify whether we are going to trade either rise or fall. Okay, so adjust your stop loss. We had $360 something there, so stop loss at $200, and then we are going to set our target profit at $100, and then now we come and input our stake. So we'll be staking around sorry, my phone was kind of hanging. Let me refresh everything again. Okay, we are back. So we'll be staking $50, input $50 twice. No, I mean $25. We are staking $25. $25 twice. And then after that, the bot is almost ready to run, but we need to go to charts and then identify whether we are going for a rising or falling market. So once you come to charts, as usual, select the volatility that you have on the bot side. In our case, that is a volatility 101s, and then the timer have a 1 minute time frame, and then we need to have 3 indicators. The first one, look for corners, RSI, and this one will give us a short term overbought or oversold conditions. And then come to the MACD. The MACD will give us the trend direction and strength. And then the third indicator is the exponential moving average. Okay, exponential moving average. This one will help us in the overall trend direction. Okay, it reacts faster to price changes as compared to simple moving averages. Okay, so the 3 indicators are in place, and we can see that this market is rising. You can see there is a crossover there at the MACD, and then the corners RSI also, we can see it above the overbought area. So we want to trade rise. Set your bot for rise, and then we enter the market for a rising trade. Okay, so you can see we are actually getting a win with our first entry. Like I told you before, the rise and fall market, there's something called, personally I call it breathe in and out of the market. That's why you experience some losses and then you go in and get wins. Okay, it's never straight wins through. You can achieve that, but you're bound to get a few losses here and there. But if the analysis is good, you should be able to come into profit. So we are at $50 now, $91 now, and we've achieved $112 take profit. Okay, so that was a good entry. Let's reset everything and then go back and identify whether we can capture any other trades. Okay, so always remember to reset back, select the volatility again to be very sure, because you're trading with real money here. You need to input the indicators again. Candlestick time at 1 minute. Have the 3 indicators in place once again, so that you can be able to know where the market is heading to. Okay, so we input the indicators again. If you're not captured or identify them properly, that is the corners RSI, and then you have the MACD, and then the third indicator is the exponential moving average. Okay, you look for it, click it, and then you have the 3 indicators in place. Okay, and we can see this market seems again still on the rising, but if you look at the corner CRSI, you can see the momentum it's coming down. Okay, so the MACD as well shows the market is rising, and for a rising market you can also capture over 3. Okay, so we adjust our bot to the over and under market. Let's try and capture over 3, and then do not run the bot, go back, because we are trading volatility indices, they keep changing. Always be safe, the bot is ready. We go back to our chart, do not get tired, input the indicators again, select the volatility again, because during those short small seconds you've been away, the market could have changed. Okay, so we do that again, input our 3 indicators back, corner CRSI, the MACD, and the exponential moving average. Okay, moving average, exponential. And yes, you can see there's a long red candlestick showing that the market reversed. Okay, you can see the long red candlestick there, and this market seems now to be going down. You can see the MACD, the blue line, trying to tilt, heading for a crossover. And then the CRSI, the corner CRSI, you can see it coming down, meaning the momentum of this market now is going down. So we are not going to trade over 3, we are going to trade under 7. Okay, there we have a confirmation, looks like a red candlestick is forming, and then you can also see it is below the exponential moving average. So let's go and trade under 7. You can see the corner CRSI as well pointing down. Let's adjust for under 7. This one we can enter because we've confirmed. Adjust for under 7, and then we run our bot. Okay, so we've entered for under 7, and you can see we've gotten 2 straight wins already, so we are good. We are trading under 7 here now, and that is why you have to do analysis. You can see we wanted to do over 3, but we analyzed and realized the market has changed and it's going on our favor now. Okay, so this is under 7 on the way, targeting to make $100, and then the bot will stop. Okay, the bot is the ProfitMax Alpha version 2025. You can access it for free. We've gotten a loss there, but then of course the martingale should kick in like that, and the strength was not bad, so we should be able to hit our take profit. Let's see, $87 now. We should be able to hit our take profit. $96 now, and there we are, $105. We've hit our take profit. You can see even our balance has increased there. We've made already slightly over $200. Okay, so let's go back, see whether we can again find an entry and then probably do the last trade. Okay, as usual. So I've repeated this so many times, by now you should have seen the sequence. The volatility, adjust the candlestick time frame to 1 minute, and then have your 3 indicators in place. Okay, we've seen the market is still going down, but let's get confirmation from the corner CRSI, the MACD, and the exponential moving average indicators. Okay, so the MACD is in place, and then the moving average, exponential, click it, and our indicators are there. So you can see the red candlesticks, you can see the corner CRSI again also pointing down, and then you can see the MACD, almost a crossover is about to happen. So we refresh everything, and then we run or proceed on to trade. Okay, so we are in again, we are in again for the under 7, and you can see we are getting some good wins there. Okay, so you can use those 3 indicators, use the free bot. You can see the setup of the site on phone version. You can be able to trade as even you look at the chart side, what is happening. Okay, so we've had 2 losses there. Let us again see the charts, whether we are still good. So let's continue. The market is still falling, and you can see we are at $590 something. We are still making profits. A small setback there. We've recovered. Let's have a look at the chart again. Yeah, you can see it's kind of okay, it's falling. We can proceed on. Let's continue. So we continue, and there is a reversal there. You can see the green candlestick forming. So right now you may want to stop your bot. I have stopped it because we've seen that candle trying to form there, and that could also take you into losses. So you observe, and then we can confirm that again the sellers are there. There is a strength in terms of the falling market. Let's proceed. So we run our bot again, and we are almost hitting our take profit. So you can see the advantage of having this kind of setup, whereby you can look at the trading view at the same time you're trading. Okay, we have a setback there, but let's see. The strength was good enough. Let's push on. We should be able to make the $100. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see the market is still falling, so we should be good. But after this, do not overtrade. We are really pushing the limit here, so we are almost hitting another $100, and there we are. Okay, you can see $102 profit, and there we've made $102 in profit, so we are good to go. Okay guys, so these are the indicators you can use to trade. You can see we've made $691 there, and the market seems to be changing. You can see there. So come to the site, the link is below the video. Access all these free bots that you can use to trade. You can use my YouTube channel to know how to use the analysis tool. This is the analysis tool as well. I have short videos showing you how you can be able to profit on Deriv. Okay guys, so cheers. I think I'll see you on my next video. Remember to subscribe, leave a good comment if you've got any questions. Cheers guys.